How to make money with 2-gram gold bar. We seem to be heading towards difficult times, so it's only common sense to start looking for ways to protect our savings and our family. One of the best investments that we can make at this moment is definitely in gold. The precious metal has been present for many years and there is no chance that things are going to change in the near future. Things seem to be going from bad to worse these days, so why not invest in something that can protect you for the years to come? When it comes to investing in gold, we should know that doing this today has become a matter of computer skills rather than anything else. The fastest, most comfortable way of investing in gold is to start buying gold online. For this you only need a laptop, an internet connection, and of course a trustworthy website where you can start making purchases. Start researching for a website that will fit your needs and that you understand. Something that you should be looking for is a site that has updated gold prices, that has a live gold chart, an online calculator, and so on. These are important properties that should not be neglected. All gold coins and gold bullion bars come with a certificate of authenticity. The weight and the trader's mark are stamped directly on the gold product, so you will know what you own at all times. Thankfully, gold can be authenticated easily, so you don't have to worry about investing in something counterfeit. It was illegal to own gold at a certain moment from 1933 to 1974 for the U.S. citizens. However, today anyone can choose to invest in the glittering metal. As far as ownership is concerned, it is safe to say that anyone can own as much gold as they like. What it all comes down to is financial means and of course common sense. When you have a place to store it, either in your home or in a bank vault, there is no limit to how much gold you can buy. Whatever you choose to invest in, you should make sure that you opt for the best security measures, because only this way you can be sure that your investment will stay safe. Gold is considered the best hedge against inflation, therefore you should start investing now if you want to protect your savings. There are numerous ways you can invest in the precious metal. All you need to do is to find the right one for you.